Hello guys, welcome back to this brand new tutorial video. Inside this video we will learn Firebase remote config with Swiftui. Okay, let's get started. As you can see inside the right side of Xcode, our project is ready and running inside the content view, inside that simulator. And we are fetching some data from Firebase remote config, and we are fetching a app name and notification. And before looking the code, I want to tell you how you can implement Firebase inside your project. In this project, I am using the Coroutines for implementing Firebase technologies inside that Xcode project, but if you want, you can use file and add package dependencies also. But as I said before, I am using the Coroutines for this video. And also we have one Firebase panel. I created a Firebase project and I added Google Service Info file in here. I downloaded after I enter my identifier, and after that, inside the Firebase panel, I went to remote config and I created two variable in here, app name and notification. And default value for the two variables for notification is true, and for app name Burak is iOS. Okay, we can right now we can look the code, and for Firebase application we have to add this that code inside our application, inside our application class Firebase app configure. When our application launched a device first time, it will be work that application class, and we are initializing that Firebase in here. And yes, we have a one Firebase config remote config manager, as you can see in here. And we have two variables, shared and remote config. It is equals to remote config dot remote config, and we are initializing our settings in here. We are fetching our data in here, and for inside our application we are gonna use that three functions for get that data. Okay, let's look to usage. Inside the let's close this area. Inside the content view, as you can see, we have three state variables: app name, notification, enable, and is loading. And inside the body, inside the vertical stack, if it is loading, if our loading parameter will be true, is true, we are gonna use a progress view to user. For text, it is Turkish, that means settings uploading right now. And it is false, we are gonna show to user a text. That text will be our application name. We will take from Firebase remote config, and inside the horizontal stack we have a one text. It means notification in Turkish, and we have one more text. It will open or close. Yes, inside the load remote config function, as you can see, we are calling that function on a pair state. And inside that load remote config, we are gonna call our fetch config function we created inside remote config manager. And if it is success, we are gonna equals to our application name and notification enable. And of course, remote config manager shared and get string. As you can see, we are using that get string function, and we are adding to our remote config parameter name in here, app name and notification. It has to be same we created before inside the Firebase remote config panel. It has to be equal, otherwise it won't work. And of course, after that equals process, we are gonna add our isLoading parameter to false. And yes, that's it actually. It is first our Firebase application inside Swiftui, but it's not the end. I'm thinking in my schedule to create more Firebase video about the Swiftui. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.